Hey, welcome back, Fiat fans. So, if you weren't aware, the 83 and up Pininfarina built Fiat Spiders don't have your traditional vent window. They have these windows with the mirrors that go straight through, and I can't find anything online or in the manual how to actually take this mirror off of the window. So I'm just gonna have to figure it out on our own, see what we can do about it. So I do know the first step is this little rubber part on the window adjustment. It just pops right off, just like that. Now what you need is a spanner, which looks kind of like this. They're actually little pronged little wrenches that go on stuff like this, which I don't have, but this thing shouldn't be very tight, so I'm just gonna see if channel locks can get it loose. Yeah, no problem there. So now that this nut thing is removed, this part comes right off, and then the mirror just comes right out, just like that. Ain't no big deal, just a nice little quick tip for you. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can follow me for more quick tips like this. And give us a thumbs up, it really helps us out. Thanks for watching.